Trading can be noisy, but moving averages help you cut through the clutter to identify key trends. From the simple moving average to the exponential and weighted moving average, these tools highlight long-term market movements. Hello again, this is 𝗟𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗿 and today I want to talk about another LightningChart JS Trader indicator, the moving averages. Simple moving average takes the average over a set period. The exponential one reacts faster by giving more weight to recent data. And weighted moving average emphasizes the most recent prices for a sharper view of trends. While advanced options like variable index dynamic average adjust for volatility, but time series moving average predicts future prices using linear regression. These tools offer deeper insights for complex market conditions. In trading, crossovers like the golden cross and death cross signal key movements to buy or sell. But keep in mind, it could be possible by adjusting the period count. It lets you refine these signals for your strategy. To explore these tools in more detail, read the article A Complete Guide to Moving Averages for Trading and Finance on the LightningChart website. Ready to elevate your trading? Start using LightningChart JS Trader today, but first, I invite you to explore how the code functions and visualize it on the chart.